Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use tags in Microsoft OneNote step by step. Tags help you categorize and highlight important information, making it easier to find tasks, reminders, questions, and key notes later. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer. Next, navigate to the notebook and page where you want to add tags. Once the page is open, select the text you want to tag. You can highlight a sentence, paragraph, or even place your cursor on a specific line. Now click the Home tab in the top menu. In the Tags group, you'll see several tag options available. Choose a tag that fits your needs, such as To Do, Important, Question, Remember for Later, or Definition. Click the tag you want to apply. The selected tag will immediately appear next to your note. You can apply multiple tags to different parts of your notes to organize information more effectively. To see additional tag options, click the More Tags button, usually represented by a downward arrow in the Tags section. You can also create custom tags if your version of OneNote supports this feature. To find all tagged notes quickly, click Find Tags in the Home tab. A summary pane will appear, showing all tagged items across your notebook, making it easy to review important information and outstanding tasks. Continue using tags throughout your notebooks to keep notes organized and easy to search. And that's it. You've successfully used tags in Microsoft OneNote. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft OneNote tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.